Good to go. So now we're moving into the GFI now. So now onto the GFI we go. So this box, it has a ground down to the box, and it has a ground going to the sub panel behind me. So now what I have to do is splice both of them together to create a tail to go into my GFI. So to do that, what I do is put all three together and hold it with one finger and twist. Once you twist, you got a nice slice. Look at that. Nice. So what you do now is cut the remain, and then that's it. Taking it to your wire nut. Twisted it in. So now you bend your ground, you tuck it into the box, just like this. Your box nice and neat. So now, like I said, always do the ground down first. Ground down. But GFCI is a little bit different. You don't have to bend the wire. All you gotta do is strip the wire, just like this. And it has to go into your GFCI. The GFCI we have today is a WR, which means weather resistance. So basically this is a Leviton GFCI. So you can see on the side, the neutral port, it has a slot where you just push in your wire to. So that's why we don't have to get our wires. Remember always, the grounding first. But this one goes right in here like this. Just like this. And then the next thing you do is your neutral. See, it goes in the groove. And now you gotta do your hot. So push it just like this. And you tie it. So in some house, every client has their own preference, but in this house, the client asked that we put the ground on the actual outlet face down. Some places we put it face up. So once we do this, we tuck in the wires into the box. As you can see, I'm not fighting, everything is nice. Reason being because everything is nice, sweet, slice in the box, and then it doesn't matter pushing that outlet just like you see. Always take pride on your work. The most important thing. Don't rush the job. Take your time, get it done the right way, and everybody will be happy at the end of the day. Same concept. US covers. This one goes in first, this one goes in second. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is put my level next to it. Let me put it up so you guys can see. Now that it's level like this, I'm gonna use my screwdriver, screw it in while I hold my level. Make everything nice and easy. There you go. This screw is covered. This is the bottom side. This is the top side. So I put the if I put it like this, the wrong way. But if I put it like this, this is the correct way. So nothing on top. Good to go. Look at that. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay safe. Stay blessed.